Hi guys, my name is Erasio Silumboy. I'm the clinical audiologist and as well as country manager for Medellin Here Life Singapore. So for today's vlog, I'll be showing you how to replace the magnet of your Rondo 1 audio processor. Okay, so start off first, we need to disassemble your Rondo 1 processor by separating the processor from your battery pack. The first thing that you need to do is pull down this latch and put your switch into the unlock position. So I'm pulling it downwards or reversely downwards. Then I'm switching. Okay, I already did it. So as you can see, it's still on the downward position. And then in terms of your slider switch, it's on the unlock position, as you can see there. Okay, unlock position. Okay, so we separate the two. Now after separation, okay, to remove the magnet from your processor, you need to put the magnet from lock to unlock position like this. Okay, and then you could remove already your magnet. All right, now to put it back, put it under unlock position, then clockwise you need to secure it by putting it on the lock position, and then cover it again with your battery pack, and then put it on off so that it will be locked. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new in regards with your audio processor. If you want to learn more about Medell audio processor, some technical stuff, and also how to troubleshoot your device, kindly hit the subscribe button and share this page to your friends, loved ones, friends or who are also wearing Medell products. See you soon. Bye.